Hello, welcome to part 2 of the 25-part series of a video where I teach absolute beginners in website development all they need to know about HTML. So in this video, we're going to learn the meaning of HTML. So what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is the language of the web. HTML is a front-end language used for presentation and also used for adding content to your web pages. HTML is the language that communicates with your web browsers and tells the browsers what to display on the screen. So think of it this way. HTML gives the structure of your website. The structure of your website and also the content of your website is being done using HTML. So what can HTML do? HTML can add images. HTML can be used to add videos. HTML can be used to add paragraph text, and so many things can be done using HTML. So HTML was created by a man named Tim Berners-Lee, and he designed this in such a way that he was doing a research and he wanted to disseminate information over the web. So he created this language that is a format for computers to understand and then display the information he wants to convey to users, to his colleagues, using other computers. So he started designing what's called a markup language. He developed this markup language. So the first version of HTML was released due to that invention by Tim Berners-Lee. Then later on, HTML now started being advanced and more features had been added. Currently, the latest version of HTML is the HTML5, which has advanced features such as video, such as audio, video, Canva, and so many other things. Also the semantic tags. We're going to be learning all about this in this course. So you can check my HTML playlist for other videos relating to HTML. I have a complete course on HTML. And also, if you are yet to like this video and subscribe, please like this video and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss future videos just like this. In our next video, what I'm going to be explaining is the code editors, the best code editors that you're going to use to create a HTML or to design HTML websites and for coding generally. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.